Hey guys, it's Andrew with City Limits Homestead. Today we are going to start picking some potatoes. So yeah, we're gonna start picking some of these potatoes up and getting them inside, getting them to cure, so that way we can eat them. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw you guys out there. I got Livy coming out to help out, and Mariah should be out here in a little bit as well. So yeah, let's have some fun. We'll pick out some, we're gonna do the red and the white potatoes today. And then we will do the sweet potatoes on another day. So guys, like, subscribe, hit that bell notification. Remember, 250 subscribers, I'm sending out a free t-shirt. So guys, let's have some fun, watch the video, and we'll get to it. All right, guys, so we got all the red potatoes done. Show you how much we got. So there's the red potatoes that we got, guys. Decent amount. We still have to clip the stems or the rest of the roots off of them. So, but yeah, good amount there. Now we are going to pull out the white potatoes. We've already picked out one of the buckets. Because we needed potatoes for dinner the other day, so we've got 4 more of those to do. All right, so there's the red potatoes we got, the white potatoes, and we also got some carrots. Guys, if you like this video, please hit that like, subscribe button, hit that bell notification, and send it over to a friend, so that way we can get the subscribers up. Guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.